Hey, welcome to Scribble Practice. Today, I just feel like coloring some shapes, but in a bit of a different way. When I was younger, I remember someone telling me that if I wanted to become a better artist, I needed to learn how to color shapes in properly. And by properly, they meant, the lines all going the same way. And so I have this idea to do an experiment, and I'm hoping that you'll join me in this little experiment of drawing on one side of the page a shape that is done with good art practice, I guess, like coloring it in as best as I can, as properly as I can. And then on the other side of the page, coloring in what feels fun and playful, and sort of creating shapes that are similar and then seeing which side I like the look of better and which side felt better to create. I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes today. Grab a piece of paper and fold it in half, or use a sketchbook that has sort of two sides to the page. And let's get started. You could use colored pencils or markers or crayons, whatever you like. Or it could just be a pencil or a pen. Okay, so we're gonna start with a triangle, and then this one we're gonna try and color in so that all the lines are going the same way. I find this very challenging. It really wears on my patience. And all the power to people who love coloring this way. I can see how it would be really relaxing for some. For me, not so much. Okay, so and then on this page, I'm going to color my triangle in any which way that feels good, which means it's quite scribbly and different. Now, I also am finding it interesting that I scribbled lightly on the top one and the bottom one is hard. I'm not sure why that is, but I am also noticing that my scribble, when I scribble in general, I tend to scribble hard, so I don't know. Anyway, okay, so there's the two. So let's do a circle next. I'm actually not sure how to color a circle in really well. I already messed that up there by not joining it properly, but I'm gonna try my best to color this circle with lines that are all going the same way. I was going to share as well that I find when it comes to creativity, it can be a delicate, actually, I guess anything can be a delicate subject, because you just don't know what you're gonna say to someone when you're trying to be helpful, perhaps, and it sticks with them in a way that maybe isn't helpful for them. So for me in this case, drawing the lines in the right direction was just a further proof as to why I shouldn't create art. Because this kind of coloring felt so heavy. Okay, now we're gonna do the circle, and we're gonna scribble in every which way, whatever feels good. It's interesting because I'm already noticing that the top one, when I'm coloring it, it feels like almost void of personality for me. And then my personality comes out a little bit more when I'm coloring in the bottom ones. Well, not a little bit, a lot more. It feels like I need to become someone else in order to color this way. I'm super curious how this is feeling for you and what's coming up for you, because everyone is different. And, you know, it could be that you're feeling more like yourself coloring in with the straight lines or the lines in all the same direction. I just can't seem to get to the other side without going over. That's one of my major problems. Anyway, I interrupted my own train of thought there. But it could be that you're feeling more like yourself when you are coloring this way with the lines going all the same direction. And I want to hear that too, because I find it fascinating. I just think it's so awesome how people are all different and different modes of expression feel more authentic to some than others. I just took a peek at the clock and I'm realizing we're only going to get 3 shapes in. Might continue this tomorrow because I was hoping to get a full page of shapes. I'm gonna finish coloring in this square and then we'll wrap it up. Okay. Yes. That's it for today. I can't believe that was 5 minutes. I drew 6 shapes. If you want to do another activity, check out this video here. Super fun. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow to continue this activity. Bye.